Welcome to English Card. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix run-on sentences and comma splices. Run-on sentences are sentences that join two clauses without appropriate punctuation or conjunction. Comma splices are similar to run-on sentences. It joins two clauses with the comma instead of the appropriate conjunction. Run-on sentences and comma splices can be fixed in 5 simple ways. Let's take this incorrect sentence and try to fix it. Arati is very shy. She grew up in a sheltered environment. The first solution is to separate the two clauses into two different sentences. Easy as that. Arati is very shy. She grew up in a sheltered environment. The second solution is to replace the comma with a semicolon. Arati is very shy, semicolon. She grew up in a sheltered environment. The third solution is to replace the comma with the coordinating conjunction. Arati is very shy, for she grew up in a sheltered environment. The fourth solution is to replace the comma with the subordinating conjunction. Arati is very shy because she grew up in a sheltered environment. The fifth and final solution is to replace the comma with the semicolon followed by a transitional phrase or word. Arati is very shy, semicolon, since she grew up in a sheltered environment.
Christ Village.